Hello everyone, if you're new here, hello, and if you're not, welcome back. I did want to say that I am holding that contest for 100 subscribers, and I did post the image on my Instagram. I will post it up here too, so that is still going on. As soon as I have 100 subscribers on YouTube, that contest will be closed, and then a draw will be held, and then I will be mailing the contents of that giveaway to someone. Alright, now let's get into Ipsy. So basically, this came late and my life has been chaos, so I'm just getting around to it now. Let's get started. So there's nothing outside of the bag this time, and this is what the bag looks like. It feels really weird. Like, if you can see that, it's got a very mesh-like material to it. Not really a fan. The color scheme isn't really something I'm into, so I won't be keeping this bag. We go in, what have we got? We've got Fierce Flick Ciate London. This is definitely an eyeliner. This is what it looks like. Felt tip, it's quite large. I mean, it's definitely very black, but quite large. Eyeliner and I have a love-hate relationship because I can usually get one eye to look really, really good, and then I get the other one that's just a total train wreck. So I might use this, we'll find out. Next we have Luna by Luna eyeshadow. Okay. So this is the packaging it comes in. It's kind of cute. And this is a nice sample size, actually. So that's what that looks like. Very creamy, definitely holographic. There we go. So I like the size of this, and this is the shade Juliet. This is a really good size. Next we have, so this is going to be a highlight from the Balm. The Balm sample sizes are a little bit small, I find, for certain items. It's a highlighter. I mean, you can get your brush in there, it's just a little bit more of a challenge. I don't think I would personally wear this color. It's right down here. It's not something that I would look for. I have a lot of highlighters already, so this is kind of a pass for me. Next I have the Perlise Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. So this will be interesting to try because I do like masks and I like trying out new things, so that's that guy. Next I have, this looks like a full size, of So Susan Cosmetics Liquid Matte Longwear Liquid Lipstick in Raisin Flesh. That's a weird name. Raisin Flesh. Why would... Anyways, so this is cruelty free, which is kind of nice. So this is what this guy looks like. And well, it looks beautiful. I just stabbed myself in the finger with it. That's that right there. So that looks stunning, and that's it for this month. So overall, not a bad month. Like I said, there are a couple of products in here that I may not use, but you know, that's kind of the adventure of Ipsy. I signed up for a year. We'll see what happens at the end of a year, if I like it, if I don't like it, if I continue, if I don't. But not a bad haul. I do think that I'm probably going to give the highlighter to someone to try because I don't particularly want it, but the eyeshadow is really beautiful. And the eyeliner, I mean, it might be good for what I want to use it for, because I mean, by no means am I looking for thin, precise, because I make a mess of my eyeliner and I look like a raccoon after, so Alright, see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.